Hey guys, this is Melanie, and I'm here today at Lippert Components with Drew. Drew, how are you doing today?
I'm doing fantastic. Thanks for asking.
Good. So tell me, what do you do at Lippert Components?
I work in HR, so I serve the team. I support the division of RV products.
I work in the engineering department as an engineering technician.
I'm in charge of the quality department here.
What would you say are some of the most common jobs that you guys are hiring for?
I would say a lot of what we're looking for right now is the general labor piece, and those general labor jobs could entail welding, it could entail just final assembly, it could involve like cleaning a window, it could involve driving a forklift.
What would you say is a typical day? Like, what does that usually look like from start to finish?
I wouldn't say that any of my days are very typical. They tend to differ. I like that about my job.
Lippert really cares about their team members. They care about your growth. They care about opportunities that you have. They also care about making sure that you're doing well as a person personally. How are you doing at home? Are you having enough time with your family?
Right.
And so we kind of take all that into balance and make sure, because we know if a person's family life isn't balanced, their work life isn't going to be balanced. So finding a balance between the two and having a company that cares about that, it's really refreshing.
Are there certain education requirements that students should know about for that type of job?
Yeah, it is fantastic that we have someone that has at least a GED, high school diploma. However, there are individuals who come in with the right mindset, like I said before, or they have a specific skill set that they have from previous walks of life that would allow them to be successful in our companies.
Math is a good skill to have when you get into production environment. Also, not just math, but also being able to work with other people, right? We hire a lot of athletes, and the reason is because they know how to work in a team, right? We want to promote team environment here. It's not individualism. The more you work as a team, the more you make your team successful, the more you'll be successful. And so getting people who understand teams and how to work in teams and be part of a team member, that's very valuable.
What would you say is one of your favorite things about working at Lippert Components?
I love working with the people, and I'm very passionate about winning. I love to solve problems.
Well, my favorite thing about being part of Lippert is the fact that we are a change organization, right? And we do change not just in how we attach our daily environment, but how we want to change the community. We want to change each other's lives. We want to make change for the better every single day. And that's exciting. I mean, it's exciting to get up and come to work every day. And if you have a job that you're excited to get up and come to work on a Monday, and when Friday comes along, you've had a great week of work, you worked hard, and you're excited to go home because you saw things that got accomplished, and you're also on the backside helping people in the community, that's an enjoyable company to work for.